In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to married filing separately on TurboTax. If you need to update your filing status inside TurboTax, this process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path to switch from the current setup to the married filing separately option, and I'll also point out what to watch for as you move through the prompts. To begin, open your TurboTax return and go to the My Info section. This is where TurboTax stores your personal and household details, including the information that affects your filing status. Since filing status has a major impact on how your tax return is prepared, this is the right place to make the change. Once you're in My Info, look for the Revisit option. Click Revisit to go back into the personal information area and edit the details that have already been entered. This is useful if you've already started your return and need to correct or update your status without starting over. After that, click Continue. TurboTax often uses Continue to move you through each part of the interview, so just follow the prompts as they appear. On the next screen, click Married. This tells TurboTax that your marital status is married, which is still correct even if you are choosing to file separately rather than jointly. Next, select the option that says Plan to file separately or as head of household, with special rules applying. This is the key step that changes the direction of your return. By choosing this option, you're letting TurboTax know that you do not want to file a joint return and instead want to proceed under the separate filing path. Then click Continue again. At this point, TurboTax will move you into the next part of the setup and begin asking for your spouse's information. Enter your spouse's info carefully and make sure everything matches official records, since accuracy here can help prevent issues later in the filing process. As a general tip, when changing filing status, it's a good idea to review the rest of your return afterward. A filing status update can affect deductions, credits, and other tax details, so take a few extra moments to check for any follow-up questions. TurboTax may generate. That's all it takes to change to married filing separately on TurboTax. Once you've entered the spouse information and continued through the prompts, you'll be ready to keep working on the rest of your return with the updated filing status in place.